Sorry, I'm not really good at video presentations. And the last one was when we did no greenhouse concentration, and the Earth stayed frigid cold, and there was hardly any activity as far as infrared protons or sunlight photons. That just kind of was frozen. It was like 0 degrees, super cold. And then here is a view, if I can get this to work, of my art that I did. And then we had follow-up questions, which is how do atmospheric gases create the greenhouse effect? And like a greenhouse, the atmospheric gases are absorbed in the day, and some are released, and that is what regulates the temperature on Earth. How does the abundance, source, and action of water vapor differ from other greenhouse gases? It stays in the atmosphere for a much shorter amount of time. It's much denser than it returns to the Earth. How do the results from the simulation support the relationship between human emitted greenhouse gases and current climate change? The greenhouse gases emitted from the Earth can normally absolve and reflect some of the climate change. Humans are just more rapidly accelerating climate change because we're not watching our emissions or gases that we're polluting the atmosphere with, that's eating up our ozone. Climate change does happen naturally over a period of time. We are just kind of like stepping on the gas full press, and unfortunately the effects of it are that animals and ecosystems that are very fragile will not survive, that are sensitive to temperature change. When we add clouds to the simulations, it kind of keeps the Earth warmer and adds almost like as a buffer. And as an individual, everyone can reduce the amount of water they use, drive as less as you can in a day. Like if you have a bunch of errands, try to keep it down to one day. If every house was retrofitted to recycle their own water and treat their own water, then that would be a cool thing to do, but that would be something that would need to be on a wide scale level super quickly. And I don't think that the government truly is in the thought process of climate change on a global and small scale for every country to truly get on board. We're working there. We're just taking small steps when we should be taking giant steps. So I will upload this video to YouTube, send both links since there are 2 parts, and then send my works page. Thank you.